Mountains form when Earth's plates collide. Layers of rock fold, uplift, and create towering peaks. Under great mountain chains, the crust thickens dramatically, extending roots deep into the mantle. This balance is called isostasy. Mountains float on a soft mantle with hidden roots beneath their peaks. Folded layers of rock give stability to the crust by distributing stress across wide regions. Like a tent peg anchored deep, the unseen part of a mountain helps secure the crust above. Ranges like the Himalayas or Andes are not just surface features, they anchor Earth with massive roots. Have we not made the earth as a resting place and the mountains as pegs? Quran chapter 78 verses 6 and 7. Over 1400 years ago, the Quran described mountains as pegs, a striking analogy echoed by modern geology. Mountains add weight and rigidity to the crust, reducing how easily it deforms under tectonic forces. And we have placed on the earth firm mountains, lest it should shake with them. Quran 21:31. While not stopping earthquakes, mountains help distribute tectonic stresses more evenly. Dr. Frank Press, a leading geophysicist and former advisor to the US president, described mountains as having deep roots anchoring the crust like stakes in the ground. Modern geology shows that mountain ranges form at tectonic collision zones where the crust thickens and gains stability. The Quran's words are signs reminding us of Earth's design, still aligning with what science uncovers today. And the mountains he has fixed firmly. Quran chapter 79, verse 32. Mountains stand as reminders of strength, stability, and the wisdom behind creation, signs for those who reflect. If you enjoyed this journey through science and signs, please like, share, and subscribe to explore more timeless truths.